Hi there and welcome to the first screencast of the year. Tonight I'm going to be solving some of the problems you might see on tomorrow's quiz on evaluating functions and graphing shifted functions. In the first problem, I'm asked to find p of -1 given p of a equals 2 times a plus 2 minus 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the -1, substitute it in for a, and then do the math. So I get 2 to the -1 plus 2, and that's 2 to the first power, or 2. And the first few words in tonight's sentence are the life. That is the life. Okay, in the next problem, I'm asked to evaluate k of x equals negative absolute value of x plus 3 for k equals -4. So I'm going to take the -4. It's going to go in for x, and I'm going to do the math. So I get that, and then the square root, or the absolute value of -4 is just 4. So I end up with -4 plus 3. That gives me -1. Next few words are you save. That's you save. Okay, now in number 3, I'm going to take -2, substitute it in for n, and simplify. So -2 squared minus 3, that gives me 4 minus 3, or 1. And in the final problem here, where I'm asked to evaluate a function, I am going to substitute 2 in for n, and I get 2 cubed plus 5. That gives me 8 plus 5, or 13. All right, now I'm asked to write the equation of a parent function, graph the parent function using a table of values, identify the shift of the shifted function, then graph the shifted function. With arrows, identify both the parent function and the shifted function. Okay, let's see, what do I have? The parent function is not going to have the +1 or the -3 tacked on. It's just going to be y equals 2x squared. So that's the parent function. Now I'm going to use a table of values to graph it. So I'm going to do -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And I'm going to substitute in each of those values in for x in the parent function and do the math, and that's going to give me my y value, or my y coordinate of the point. So I think I'm going to end up with 8 of 2, 0, 2, and 8. So I'm going to graph those points. So -2, 8 is somewhere up there. 2, 8 is about right there. -1, 2, 0, 0, and let's see, 1, oops, didn't think that was right. There, that's better. So that is the parent function. Now I'm going to identify the shift. So if I look back on the shifted function, it's going to be 1 to the left and 3 down. So now I'm going to move each point 1 to the left and 3 down. So 1 to the left and 3, let's see, 3 down, 1 to the left, 3 down, 1 to the left, 3 down, 1 to the left, 3 down, and 1 to the left, 3 down. And so that is the shifted function. All right, the last few words in tonight's sentence are may be your own. All right, send me that email with the secret sentence tonight if you did watch this, and listen and write down what the sentence was. All right, have a good night, and we will see you tomorrow. Cheers.